If Capcut is showing error 326, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest fixes step by step so you can get back to editing and exporting your video without the frustration. This error is usually caused by hardware acceleration, low storage, or a connection issue, and the good news is that you can often fix it in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Capcut tips and troubleshooting guides. Now let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is turn off hardware acceleration inside Capcut. This is the most common fix for error 326, especially if the app is struggling during export. To do that, open Capcut and go to the menu, then click Settings and head over to the Performance. Once you're in the Performance section, look for the option that says Speed Up Hardware Encoding. Uncheck that box, then click Save to apply the changes. After that, go back and try exporting your video again. In many cases, simply disabling hardware acceleration is enough to stop error 326 from appearing. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your storage space. Capcut needs extra free space to create cache files and render high-resolution videos, especially if you're working with 4K footage or larger projects. If your device storage is almost full, the export process can fail and trigger errors like 326. So take a moment to free up space by deleting old files, clearing unused apps, or moving media to an external drive or cloud storage. Even a little extra room can make a big difference, so make sure you have enough free storage before trying again. Another important thing to check is your internet connection. Capcut may require a stable network connection during export, especially if your project uses online assets, cloud features, or needs to sync certain data in the background. If your Wi-Fi is weak or unstable, disconnect and reconnect to your network and try again. If you're using a PC and have the option, switching to a wired Ethernet connection can help make the connection more stable. A quick network reset is sometimes all it takes to fix the issue. After you've gone through all three steps, try exporting your project one more time. In most cases, error 326 should now be resolved. If it still appears, restart Capcut and your device, then repeat the export with the settings adjusted. It's a simple troubleshooting process, but these basic fixes solve the problem for a lot of users. So to recap, the main fixes for Capcut error 326 are turning off hardware acceleration, freeing up storage space, and checking your internet connection. Those three steps cover the most common causes and should help you export successfully again. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more editing fixes, Capcut tutorials, and creator tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.